Alright, well this is the other binaltech hound, the police version. And same as the other hound, the steering wheel is completely rubber. Actually, I got it stuck in the bent position there. Yeah, it's really soft. Anyway, I'll transform him and compare them both. Let's compare them right now with the other police car. You got the RX-7 police car. That's the Kiss Player car. And that one's the RX-7, and this one's the Integra Honda. And actually, you can look at one more car here. And that's the... you really can't see him, but that's the other police guy. That's the Alert Kiss Player one. Those two guys look pretty much the same. We got herpes in there. So some details. They both have the little Japanese police car thing in the front there. The little underneath, same as the other one. I don't know what the kanji says. Let's just transform them and then we can compare them all. I'm pretty sure I'll have to do another video for the comparison on these. So, the same thing. Drop the like that. Pull out the little oh, this guy's a little trickier to transform. A little bit more stiff. Let's see if we can get a wedge up under there. There we go. And open these doors. Rotating. I've been thinking about that. And you guys watch my webpage, you guys saw some of my favorites. I put the Grease videos song. I want to do a stop motion on that. I think it'd be pretty funny. Get the robots singing to each other. Because they love each other. It's robot love. And there ain't nothing wrong with robot on robot action. I mean, it's not, they're not males or females, just machines that love to love. And what's the point of having, you know, boy robots and girl robots? They're just parts. You see that movie, what was it, Robots, I think, with what's his name? Oh, yeah, this is a hard part. With well, you know, when they were gonna make the baby. Oh, my wife delivered the baby, and then, or my wife is expecting a baby, and then they deliver it, and then they make it. And you don't need sex to make robots. Come on, no. Okay, there we go. Jingle all the way. Yes, it's Jingle Bell song time. One annoying thing is these little magnety things just keep them on. Okay. There we go. And we broke that free, and we get that guy. Oh, see? It just popped right off. Yay! Piece of crap. Piece of grapple. You are a piece of crap. You don't know about crap. That you are crap. You know? Okay, what are they? La 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 la. Oh shit. Kuso. There we go. We got it. Yay. Just a little head around. Yeah, now it looks like a pearl. Yeah, when I was a kid I had this guy. He was okay. I don't know what I did to him. Broke him or stepped on him or something. I was stepping on my brother's toys. But that wasn't my fault because he didn't put him away. He's a bad boy. Alright, well that's him. And let's compare him with this other buddy over here. Whoa, shit. So they're identical. Just color difference there. And his batons, I couldn't tell you where they are because I don't know where they are. Where's his packaging? Oh! Look! He comes with an engine. I didn't even know that. Oh, anyway. Well, maybe I gave him both batons to one guy. Oh, I might have done that. This is his baton. Opening up the guns for the first time here. As far as guns go, it's pretty high tech there. Compared to the other binaltech guys, this is a pretty nice gun. Let's put it in his hand, and he can play with it, and then he can play with himself. I'll stick that in there like that, and got a little slot in there. And there we go, and now he's strong, killing police guy. Oh shoot. Fall back. Okay, let's give him the old rotation on the rotation wheel of death here. Do 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 do. Rotation music. Rotation music. La 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 la. That's something. I guess those things are angled backwards for aerodynamics and blazing Integra speed. You know how those Integras crank it. They're known for blazing speed. They have like a Integra drag racing or something like that, right? They put those little funny big mufflers on the end of them, and they're really cool. If you have a really small engine and you make a lot of noise, that means you're cool. You know how all those cool guys do it? Yeah, yeah. Anyway, that's them compared with their other buddy over here. That's 16. I had to do 2 of them because, well, there are 2 of them. Okay, one last comparison here. We got this guy and his little buddy over here. They're pretty much the same size. And take a look, I did his feet correctly this time. Yay! So I'm not such a tard. Oh. Anyway, different bodies, different molds or different cars. So this guy's more like the alert guy with that chest. That anyway, 3 toys there. Different styles. Different police guys. Okay.